J Ray Love Child here, back with another video. Today's video will be a DIY for flaxseed hair gel. This is a wonderful natural alternative for those looking for something other than the commercial brand hair gels. It's sure to nourish your hair, keep it moist, keep it healthy, keep it shiny, and it's affordable and easy to do. So if you want to go ahead and watch how I prepare my flaxseed gel, then keep watching this video. So as of late, I've been working on revamping a lot of the recipes that I had some years ago for hair and skin. I will admit that over the past few years, I have been using a lot of commercial products and the benefits just aren't there. The cost is sometimes outrageous. So with that being said, I'm going on a whole new journey and I'm going to take you guys with me as I redo recipes, as I improve on recipes in an effort to improve the health of my hair and my skin. With that being said, you'll need about a tablespoon of vegetable glycerin, 1 cup of flax seeds. I get these from Kroger for about $1.99 a pound, and 4 cups of water. You'll also need a heat-resistant bowl, a strainer or pantyhose to catch the seeds, and a clean and dry container to store your flaxseed gel once you're finished. First, you're going to bring 4 cups of water to a boil. You're then going to add your flax seeds in and stir occasionally to keep them from sticking to the bottom. You're going to want to let your flax seeds boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll notice it getting foamy. That's the gel forming. It's perfectly normal, so just let it do its thing. After about 15 minutes, the gel is going to look a little bit like snot with the seeds stuck inside of it. It's just about ready. So you just want to stir and make sure that all the water is evaporated from your mixture. See? It's sticking a little bit to the spoon, just like I like it. Once your gel is just how you like it, go ahead and cut the heat and prepare to pour your mixture into your strainer. If you prefer to use a pantyhose, you could do that also. Just know that it will take a little bit of extra work. Carefully pour the contents of your pan into the strainer and let it drain directly into your bowl below. You'll notice that it's a little thick, so you may have to help it along with the use of a nice spoon or a little shake. My gel came out nice and thick this time around, so I'm going to have to help it out a little bit, but that's fine. At this time, you could leave the strainer on the container to drain on its own. This may take about 10 minutes, or you could continue to work it into the strainer. And there you have it. Here's your gel. The consistency is creamy, thick and gooey. It has great slip as well. At this time, we're going to add in our glycerin. I'm just going to drizzle it in there and stir it up with a spoon. The consistency of the gel is just perfect. Now it's time to add it to our container. Remember to make sure that your container is clean and dry. You don't want to introduce any bacteria, as this is not a preserved product. This is enough gel for at least 2 to 3 weeks if you're using it sparingly. It's best to use it on wet or damp hair, and it's great for your edges. You'll love this soft, hold, but rich and creamy gel. Say goodbye to flaky gels and hello to the benefits of flaxseed gel. So there you have it, guys. Be sure to store your gel in a clean, sealed container in the refrigerator. You'll probably want to discard it after a few weeks and make a new batch. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon with more awesome DIYs. Have a good day.